Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is September 1, so this would be an August newsletter. Looking at the Nifty, on the daily we're still below the Kumo and we are below the Kijun and the Tenkan. Well, actually we might have closed just above the Kijun on last week. Notice interesting thing is where we are sitting on the weekly. We are sitting right on the cloud. So and the Chicago found support on the candles back here and is hitting these candles. Tomorrow Chicago will be under these candles probably if they open where it is. So we are bullish on the weekly, well, semi-bullish on the weekly because we are above the Kumo but below the Tenkan and the Kijun on the weekly. So at this point I would expect consolidation, maybe even a test of these levels here. If we do break down below the cloud and below these candles, then we could be looking at the next leg down towards the 10,000 area. But the Kijun is going to go flat here. These are the highs, these are the lows. Until we break one of these two areas, Kijun will be flat, and Kijun is a magnet, as we know. So at this point, I would expect a bounce up maybe. And then we'll have to see what happens. But at this point, if they break below these lows of 1062, then watch out till about 10,000. Reliance, nothing there on the daily, just went up, hit the cloud, and notice that we are flat on the Kijun. Prices are going to attract to it. We will not be moving the Kijun at least until another couple of weeks, so expect some more consolidation here. I would not want to buy this stock at this point. Tata Steel. Tata Steel, this is a weekly chart. Notice that we had huge volume last week with the doji. Also keep in mind that the Kijun here on the weekly is going to go flat if we don't pierce these lows. So we are stretched out quite a bit from the Kijun, and with the doji with a huge volume, I would definitely cover some short position if I have those, and expect some sort of a rally back up at least for a little while. We are really stretched out from the Kijun, so I would cover some short position here, but not necessarily want to buy long. Only for the aggressive traders, maybe they can try a long position, but keeping a tight stop below these lows. And again, this is going against the regular way because you are bearish on the daily and the weekly. This is just for aggressive traders if you want to play the bounce, which is not for everyone. LNT again, nothing there. Just went up, hit the Kijun, came back down. Still bearish. And notice the clouds. You see, when you see these alternating up down, bearish bullish clouds, it's really not a trending stock. So IFCI, nothing there. But we are approaching support areas, but we are bearish. If you want to, again, there's nothing to buy here. So let's see, what else can we look at? Sale. Notice that we are bearish here on the daily. But notice that the volume has grown quite a lot down here. So if I am holding a short position, or if I am holding puts on this stock, then I would definitely want to take some profits off the table at this point, given that we have had a good downtrend here and the volume has exploded in the last week. That tells me that there's a good chance that all those who wanted to sell are now done. And this could rally. So again, would I close the whole position? Probably not, but at least take some profits off the table at this point. Lupin, nothing there, just a junky stock. Would not want to trade this one. Ajanta Pharma's last one. Let's take a look at this. Ajanta Pharma's looking good here, trying to break out of the Kumo and the Chicago breaking out. I would not hesitate to buy this one on strength. Use a Kumo strategy for this one. that'll be it.